Ew, your mouth is open.
Outburst of laughter.
Well, what are you laughing about? Your mouth's open all the time.
No, I mean
Mom.
food.
Bowden, get her on.
Make a wish.
Yeah, of course.
I wish.
Right?
Wish for Logan to go away so he can do a cupcake.
Can't
And
do it.
Jason.
All right, give him boys.
The new girl at work, she
Logan.
something.
Go,
We
Logan.
got her cake yesterday because it was her birthday yesterday.
No.
She blew one big puff and all of them were gone.
Josh.
Holy.
Were they 2 miles away though from each other?
No, but it was one.
Yeah.
No, I couldn't believe how well she's what. I couldn't. One candle would go out.
I
Just the
know.
way she would go poof and they were all gone.
I'm hoping you heard.
Yeah,
Oh, nice.
for sure.
Josh.
That's
Parents,
awesome.
I don't know how much it was.
5
Oh,
cents.
that's nice.
That's a nickel.
That is beautiful.
That's
We got
cute.
to buy a battery there too, and that'll help.
Oh, thank you.
We got to buy
Thank
a
you
bike
very
battery.
5 cents.
Aww,
That's
he's
nice.
such a sweet
That's
boy.
pretty cool.
And look, I gave them 2 pictures.
On
Yeah.
a
That's
napkin.
cute.
On a paper
Because
towel.
I couldn't find any out.
Have you got something you could wrap that with,
Yeah.
just to take home, like?
He wants day. Haha.
Please, wrap the wrap.
What's that say?
Day.
Here, watch out.
Happy
It
birthday.
says happy birthday.
That's pretty cool what he did. Put day on there.
Yeah.
I
It
tell ya.
is.
I got it from
That's
Annie.
cute.
That's cute.
They're delicious.
This one is the empty. I gotta do that.
Which one are you going to take?
What?
I gotta do the dishwasher too.
Help yourself.
Empty it.
Help yourself.
Well, I gotta touch it.
We'll do it after we get back. Right?
You want? We can do it,
Right? Ma'am?
ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Queen bee?
You can.
Hold on.
Josh, you want a bite?
No. It's a candle.
So it's better for you the breeze come in there?
Oh, it's warm.
No.
What?
Well, I just ate a whole bunch too. It's